Hi, thanks for choosing to watch this SalesLogix video in which we will look at finding data in the SalesLogix Web Client. SalesLogix is a truly powerful tool when it comes to slicing and dicing data. Complex groups can be built and shared. They can be used for marketing campaigns, mail merging, or data can be downloaded to Excel for other uses. But why run before we can walk? Finding data for everyday use is also easily and quickly done, and this video runs through how to do this. Each entity, accounts, contacts, leads, opportunities, tickets, contracts, defects and returns, has a similar format for looking up data. You can either click on any main entity and then click on the lookup button, or you can right-click on a navbar button and choose the lookup option. Either way, you will end up in that entity with the lookup box open. Let's suppose we want to look up an account, so I will right-click on the Accounts button and select Lookup Account. Let's look at the search box in a bit more detail. First, you can choose how you want to search for your data. We just want to search by account, so we leave the default selected. We could choose a different operator, but again we will leave starting with, and we then type in our search criteria and click search. We'll look for accounts starting with ABB. A list of returned records is created under a tab called Lookup Results. We can then hyperlink to the record we want. Alternatively, we may want to look up all our partner accounts. So again, we click the Lookup button and now perform a search where type is equal to partner. The search box also allows you to search based on multiple criteria. Let's suppose we want to find all our contacts whose surname begins with A who are based in the state of Florida. We simply right-click on Contacts and select Lookup Contact. Fill in Lookup by name starting with A. Now click the Add Condition button and select Lookup State equal to FL. Click Search and the results are returned. It should be noted that the list of fields you can look up on is driven by the fields in the layout of the group you have selected in Options, Groups, Default Lookup Layout. If you want to regularly search on different fields, you would first create a new group and then select that group as your default lookup layout. The fields in the layout you have selected will then appear in the lookup. As an example, I will change my default lookup layout for account details to a group called Lookup Example. I'll then save the changes to Options. Here is my group layout. And notice that when I click Lookup, the same fields are listed. You can specify the default lookup layout for each relevant entity in the Options Group tab. Well, I hope you found that useful. Always remember to check the help screens, but in the meantime, thanks for watching this SalesLogix production.